Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you very quick how to turn on or turn off Secure Boot on Microsoft Surface Pro, Surface Go or Surface Laptop. First of all, you need to power up your device, and after that, you need to press the volume up button over here and the power button same time. I will do this for you. When you see a logo, you will release the power button until you see the screen. Okay, now in this interface, go to security. You have an option called Secure Boot. Secure Boot is enable with Microsoft. You can choose enable or disable. After that, you choose access over here, and all the changes of the settings of the PC have been saved, and you can restart your Surface right now and all the settings are saved. Okay, that's all of my videos. If my video is helpful, please give me a like and subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.